Hi, this is Bob. This is not on electronics, this little YouTube video. I have been building a little one-car garage out in the backyard. We have a car that has been sitting outside all last year. We had some heavy snows and I wanted to get the car under a roof, so I'm building a little one-car garage. And I very seldom do carpentry work. But what I needed was something to put my hammer in. I was sticking it in my belt. I dropped it several times. I found it difficult to get in and out of the belt, and it fell through, and I had problems. So I was downstairs getting some nails, and I was keeping nails in these plastic jars. I believe this was a big jar of peanuts or something like that. But anyhow, I have an old heavy Boy Scout knife, real heavy big knife, pocket knife. So I just pushed it in and cut the bottom out, leaving a nice lip around there for strength. Then I just cut 2 slots on the side, and you can see I have my belt going through there. I'm going to put that right there and then show you how the hammer just goes right in there like that and fastens on my waist. And it worked out so nice. I just thought I'd put that on there. Maybe you're working on something at your house and you're just running around and you got the hammer, and like me, you're climbing the ladder and everything, and you want something to hold your hammer. You could make one of these real quick, just use it for that particular job, and after you're done, just throw it in the trash. So I just thought I would show that. That's it, guys. 73s.